Hello and welcome. My name is Lynn, and today I'd like to introduce you to one of the newest paper pads from Scrappiness. This is called Perk Up. This is a 6x8 double-sided premium cardstock collection, and in it you will get 12 unique designs and you'll have 2 sheets of each. So let me go ahead and show you all 12 designs. So when I say cardstock, you can hear how thick this is. It's a really nice layering weight. I would maybe put it at 65 to 80 pounds. There's a little bit of a glossy finish to it, so really, really lovely. And of course, these are double-sided and you do get 2 sheets. So if you're working on a project where you do need multiple sheets, then you have that option. But if not, then you just have a lot of variation and different patterns to choose from. So that's what's really lovely about a double-sided paper pad design. Especially since, and this is a good example, this one side is very coffee themed, but flip to the back and you have just a very nice polka dot design that you can use completely outside of anything coffee related. So that's why this paper collection has been so beautifully designed. And this might be one of my favorite prints, which I love that we get it in 2 different colorways. And I almost wish that it wasn't on the same sheet. That way I could use more of them. But it's really, really fantastic to have that option. That way, nothing goes to waste. With single-sided papers, if it's a pattern that doesn't really suit your project, then you don't have a second option. This, though, might be my absolute favorite because I love when typography is mixed in with images. The other thing that I really love about a 6x8 paper pad is that I sometimes create 5x7 cards. So with the extra 2 inches beyond what you would normally get in a 6x6, you can actually get a full 5x7 mat if you wanted. So it's nice that that's an option, but I probably more often will create USA 2 size cards. And what's fantastic about a 6x8 paper pad is that I generally cut my mats for a USA 2 size at 4 inches by 5 1/4. So for one of these sheets, I can actually get 2 mats on a USA 2 size card. So, and it's a very efficient cut too, because you get exactly, you have 8 inches here, so you can cut exactly, 2 mats, and you just have a small strip of, 3/4 of an inch left over. So really, really fantastic for any size card that you like to craft with. So that's a look at all 12 designs from the Perk Up paper collection. Let me go ahead and show you a project or two featuring this paper pad.